Right, this is the EXAKTA RTL1000 that I have here. The front, the side, the other side, the back, and the top. Well, I'm gonna remove this lens. Okay, so I'll show you the aesthetics of it. The front. There's some like sand-like stuff that I not managed to remove. Not sure what is it. Not sure is it really sand, but notice it on along the ridge. So this is the lens from the front and from the back. And this is the insides of the glass. And then this is the back. The blades, sure, the blades. The focus is smooth. And then the blades, sure, the blades. Alright, the blades, they work. Let's do a shine test to see if there's any organic growth. Alright, thanks. And for the body itself, this body doesn't have a light meter. Interesting thing about EXAKTA is that the top always can remove one, so you can get like a top-down finder or something like that. So you can use it in a different way. It's very interesting. You can see the top. Very nice. Okay, let me show you the shutter itself. So 1000 shutter speed. Trigger is in the front here. Okay. It's not sure what is this. Oh, it's a timer. Okay, right. Alright, so it fires. Then let's do like 500 shutter speed. Right, fires. Let's do 250. Okay. Let's do 125. Okay. Let's do 60. Okay. Let's do 30. 15. 8. 1/4. Half second. 1 second. And bulb mode. And flash mode. Let's do again at 125. I think just now it's a bit too fast. Okay. Let's do it at 250. Okay. 500. It's a bit too fast, I think, for the camera. Alright. And 1000. Okay. Yep. I think just now it was a bit too fast for the camera, but yeah, anything can let me know now. So, EXAKTA. Thanks.